Hey all, this is Nikki at Green Clean Designs, and I want to talk to you a little bit about this install. This was for two corner office cubicles, and they're the exact same size. So they're 6 feet by 10 inches and then 9 feet by 4 inches. And what's neat about them is you can see same size, but we did orientation different. So they had the door location different. This has 3 windows. It is 85 inches tall, so 7 feet tall. So very on trend with what we're seeing. And this was for a fire department in Michigan. So let's get to the reveal of these beautiful private office cubicles. And here is the first one. So this is if you were walking there, you can see that we're going up against more of a drywall setting. And then here is the reveal of that second option. This client, the fire department, elected to upgrade their doors. So you can see that they have an insert in the door. So gives it a little bit more of a modern look. The locking doors are really popular. So the swing locking doors is really our best seller. And I think when you look at this install, you'll see why. So if you are interested in some corner office cubicles, please reach out to us at Green Clean Designs, and I'm going to link to more corner office designs in here so that you can check out all the options we've got.